This film is rated M for matching. Accounting 221 is one of the core classes for Eisenberg students. This is why we're sending our 4 best interviewers to find out how UMass students are handling Professor Lowry's class so far and what they have learned.
What did you think accounting was going to be about before enrolling in the course?
Money!
How did you feel about trick questions on exam 1?
I think I must have misread all of those.
What is your strategy for passing accounting?
Not gonna be easy. It's gonna be really hard. And we're gonna have to work at this every day, but I want to
So, Walter, if I were to purchase something from you and it was FOB shipping point, I would need to pay the shipping, right?
Yeah.
If you sold something to me and it was FOB destination, you would have to pay for the shipping expense, right?
You're right.
Hi, Georgie. How are you?
Sell me this pen.
So, first you need to...
Sell me this pen.
Well, you need to credit your inventory and debit your cost of goods sold, debit your cash, and credit your sales revenue. So after taking this test, did you think about withdrawing from the class?
I'm not leaving.
This is my home!
Whoa, whoa.
They're gonna need to send in the National Guard, because I ain't going nowhere!
Did you know that you can't receive cash from interest until maturity date?
I'm just ahead of the curve.
No, seriously, you don't receive cash until maturity date.
When you see Professor Lowry outside of class, how do you act?
You're my favorite accountant. Tommy, please. Johnny, please, you're on my fantasy team. You're my favorite worker.
Fans?
Yes! Woo!
Priceless.
Stephen A., let's talk about statements of cash flows. If I were to purchase land, that would be a operating activity instead of an investing activity, correct?
That is blasphemous! That is blasphemous! How dare you? How dare you say such a thing? That is insanity!
Oh, okay, so it's an investing activity.
So in lecture, you learn that debits go on the left and credits go on the...
Right? Right?
So I was interviewing another student earlier, and he didn't know that GAAP stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Do you have any advice for students to remember that FIFO uses first in, first out, and LIFO uses last in, first out?
Learn your rules. You better learn your rules. If you don't, you'll be eaten in your sleep.
So in order to get the least amount of cash flow, you would use FIFO?
Whenever I'm about to do something, I think, would an idiot do that? And if they would, I do not do that thing.
So in order to get the least amount of cash flow, you would use the LIFO inventory system.
Is cash a temporary account?
No.
Is sales revenue a permanent account?
No.
Then accounts receivable must be a temporary account.
No, 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 no. Hell no!
So Ariel, do you know what a tangible asset is?
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
So can you list some of your tangible assets?
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Anything else?
You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal.
Accounting is very meticulous. Make one tiny mistake and the whole balance sheet could be wrong.
Everything has to be perfect.
Well, even if you didn't get such a good grade on the first test, there are plenty of extra credit opportunities, including Learn Smart.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Yeah!